Today we are looking at a very popular AI-powered tool called Lovable. In this video we are going to talk about what Lovable is, what you can build with it, and whether it's worth it or not. So let's get started. First up, what is Lovable AI? Lovable AI is an AI-powered tool that builds websites, apps using prompts. But the reason why people love it so much is its ability to turn natural language into real UI. Now, what can you build with it? You can build landing pages, startup MVPs, you can generate dashboard, prototype ideas quickly, and you can also build personal portfolio websites. Basically, you can build web applications and websites just by describing it in English. You can also customize various features through chat. Now let's take a look at a live demo and see how this all works. Let's say we want to create a website, a simple website using a prompt. So first we go to the Lovable website and then click on Get Started. And we have to create an account to get started. We can either continue with Google or GitHub, or we can continue with email. Let's go ahead and continue with email. So for this, we are going to just add our email address and create an account and log in. Our account creation is complete. Now we can choose if you want a light theme or a dark theme. Let's go ahead with the dark theme. Then we can add in our name. Then we can choose our role. We can choose how many people work at our company. And with all of that taken care of, it's finally bringing us to this section where we can add in our prompt and start working. So let's say we want to create a single page website. Let's add in our prompt. So our prompt is create a modern landing page for a digital marketing agency. Include a hero section, services, testimonials, and a contact section. Use a clean and professional design. So it's a very simple prompt. We're going to click on this button and wait for the results. Alright, our site is now ready and it's telling us that your Pulse Digital Agency landing page is live with a dark hero section featuring animated stats, a 6-card services grid, testimonial cards, and a contact form, all with smooth scroll in animations via framer motion and a custom space grotesque plus DM sense type system. As you can see that this is a very clean and professional looking website. We can see in this section, there's our site logo. It added some service, about, testimonials, and contact navigation menu, and also added a Get Started button. It added a digital marketing agency label over here, added some text, and also 2 buttons over here. As you can see that this button isn't looking very good as we have a white background, but when we hover a mouse over here, we can see the text, so we can fix it later on. We can see some stats over here. Now if we scroll down, we can take a look at the services section. We also have a testimonial section. And finally, a contact form. This definitely looks really amazing. Now, what if we want to change some things in our website? For example, this button. Let's go ahead and change the background of this button. To do that, what we can simply do is click on this button over here, Visual Edits. So we can click on it, and then we can select which part we want to customize. We can select texts or buttons. So let's go ahead and select this button. And it's going to give me a plethora of options to go through. We can change the typography, colors, spacing, borders, and we can also customize the effects over here. We can customize the colors directly from here, or we can ask Lovable to change the button color for us. So let's go ahead and add in a prompt to change the background. So we've written, change this button's background color to something dark so that the text is visible. So let's go ahead and add in this prompt and see the result. Alright, it's done, and you can see that it's changed so easily. So in this way, we can make various customization. So we can just simply click on Visual Edits, click on the section we want to edit, and then make the changes from either this section, or we can add in a prompt and ask Lovable to make the changes for us. It's so easy and simple to do. Now that was just an example. People have also built SaaS landing pages, small business websites, personal portfolios, startup MVPs, and web apps using Lovable. Now, although it's amazing, it does have some limitations. As you can see, we are using the free version. It also has paid version. The free version gives you limited prompts, limited features. It also has slower or restricted access. You can use it if you're just exploring, testing ideas, or learning AI tools or creating simple projects. The paid version is where the main attraction comes. It gives you more prompts, advanced customization, and a lot more improved performance. This is best if you're building real client projects, if you need more control, if you want to scale faster, or if you're a professional freelancer or developer. In that case, the paid version is for you. And with that, it brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you, and let us know your thoughts about Lovable in the comment section. And if this video was helpful for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.